I am a Jamaican and me love crab. And as such, me decide say me have to go crab bush go catch some crab. So as you all know, these are mud crab. And me have to ensure say them properly clean. So before cooking, me remove all of the mud and the muck from them and place them in a me nice little white keg. Me catch my coal stove, put on my pot and ensure say it come to a boil. Because me love my crab for full of flavor, me actually season the water. Me cut up my onion, me cut up my pepper, me cut up my garlic and my green onion, which we also call scallion. And to top up the flavor, me add my grace cock soup to the water. Me then dash in my crab and allow the crab to boil for at least 30 minutes before me take them out. As soon as me take out the crab, me couldn't help but bite down in the claw and the back of the crab where the whole of the juice and the niceness come out. This here boiled crab is nice, me